everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm NG Styles. So tonight I'm going to be showing you how I make my Himalayan and coffee body polish. So here I am using 1 cup of pink Himalaya salt. Here I have a 1/4 cup of ground coffee, and here I have lemon zest. Here I have a teaspoon of ginger powder. Here I will be using the juice out of that lemon, and I'll be using some of my lotion to mix it up. I am using my skin lightening lotion. You can use any lotion base that you have available. Okay guys, so sit back and enjoy. So to start, get a bowl. So I'm going to be adding my 1 cup of Himalaya pink salt and a 1/4 cup of coffee powder. And next, I'm going to add the ginger powder. Have a teaspoon of ginger powder there. And next, I'm going to add my zest, the lemon zest. So next, I'm going to whip it up to make sure it's mixed properly. So after mixing it up, this is how it's going to look. So next, I'm going to add the lemon juice. So after adding the lemon, mix it. So after mixing it properly, it's going to be like this. So for me, this texture is okay for me because I don't like my scrub being too hard on my skin. I like it to melt. So that's how it's going to be. If you want it to more thicker, you can add more Himalaya scrub, salt or coffee. This is going to help get rid of the dead skin on your skin and also brighten the skin, lighten it up because of the, and also the coffee in there. Coffee help brighten the skin and also fight the cellulite on our skin. And here is the final result. It smells awesome. I mean the coffee and the lemon. Smells awesome. Plus the lotion. So here, get some of the scrub. Let's see. So how to use it after shower, you know, after washing your body with your sponge and soap, then you use it. Then you use it and scrub all over your body. When you are scrubbing, this is how it's going to be. Do you see that?